we will find how many minutes in 3 decades. So I have 3 decades, and I want to convert that into minutes. And I'm going to do that by multiplying by 1. So as before, I want to get rid of decades, so I'm going to have decades in the denominator. I look at my conversion table, I see that 1 decade is 10 years. I want decade in the denominator. So 1 decade. And in the numerator, I have 10 years because 10 years is 1 decade. That means that this is the number 1. So decade cancels decades. Now I have something in years. I don't want years, so let's go from years to days. So I know that there are 365 days in 1 year. And I know I want the years in the denominator because I want this years to cancel this years, which leaves me something in days. So now I want to get rid of the days. So let's see, I know that I can go from days to hours. So in 1 day, there are 24 hours. And so this day cancels that day. And I know that in 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. And so this hour cancels this hour. And what I am left with is 3 times 10 times 365 times 24 times 60 minutes. And so if I put that into a calculator, I find that this is approximately equal to 1.58 times 10 to the 7 minutes. In other words, there are about 16 million minutes in 3 decades.